up, MVP investors? So in today's video, we are going to be talking about the pros and cons of day trading. I get a lot of questions of people asking me like how long I work, how much I make, stuff like that. And honestly, it varies on, one day I could make, $200 or $300. The next day I could lose 75. That's one, con against day trading is that you do not have a consistent income. Some month you could make $4 or $5,000, and then the next you could make $200. It just varies. Sorry about that. It just varies on how well you performed during your trades. Another thing or another advantage though is you only work an hour or 2 hours a day because those are like the best times. So anywhere from 9:30 to noon are the best day trading periods. So you only work, it varies honestly, because today I only traded for 45 minutes an hour, and I profited 125 bucks. So it varies. But so that would be a pro, is that you don't have to have a 9 to 5 job. If you become a proficient trader, you can really live off the trades you make. But and then a con that why a lot of people don't day trade is it's risky. Um, it's risky, and uh, they don't want to risk their money, you know. But if you don't risk is only what you don't understand. Warren Buffett said that, and he's the best, financial trader to walk the planet. And that is really true, because if you don't have the proper education or or whatever, you lose money, and that it makes complete sense. You don't want to trade something you don't understand. Or here, let me move myself so you can see my stylish face right there. There we go. You don't want to trade something you don't understand. That's one of our rules. Don't trade what you don't understand. Don't trade because I told you to. It's really uh, But okay, another pro and con kinda is, it's really pro. Some people are like, "Oh no, I don't like that. I like to," but is you can work from wherever you want. Uh, you can work. I've worked from my house, my girlfriend's house. I've worked. I'm about to travel to Florida and New York within the same year, and I'm gonna be able to work. And it's not like works 8 hours. Works 30 minutes, or work is 2 hours or an hour. And if you can do that and really pay for your vacation, it's really the life. That's the life I would like to live, and a lot of traders do that. So that's a pro. Um, a con is the practice and how long it takes to be proficient. I started looking at stocks and stuff when I was in high school, and I started watching the market, really all the time. And, and used fake money for 6 months. Then I started to use some real money when I turned 18. I lost, everyone loses money right out of the get go. I lost probably 35 bucks. It wasn't a lot, but at the time, when I'm fresh out of high school about to go to college, and you only have so much money to day trade, uh, or really trade. I was more of a swing trader out of the get rather than a day trader. But so that's a con, is the training periods. But I would recommend training or trading. Uh, uh, recommend trading for 6 months of fake money before you use your own money, because you will start to understand the market better. And the best practice is to actually trade. You can read this book right here, but it's one I wrote, but it's not gonna really do the work for you. You're gonna have to look at the charts, look at the technical analysis, look at the everything, because it's your money at the end of the day. And you want to really capitalize on your gains, and you want to minimize risk, minimize losses. So yeah. Another con slash pro. Let me think here. Is the startup cost. If you only have $100, 10% of that's $10, and that 10% of that's about average per day. 10% gain. So if you only have $1,000, then you 10% is $100. So and if you want to really do a full-time job, you want to try to get from anywhere from like 200 to 200 plus. If you can make that a day, you will be fine. For money, that's about 50K a year. 500 is about passing 100K. So that's a con, though, is the startup cost. So day trading really is a great job, and you really can make a lot good money, and I love doing it. So I'm going to keep doing it, because there's nothing better than waking up at 8, looking at pre-market stocks. Then after that, maybe filming a YouTube video, or doing all kinds of stuff, going to the gym, going to class, because I'm still in college. So it really is beneficial. I can really pay for gas, all the stuff I need, for the week in a day, or 30 minutes. There's no job that can do that, and you can still study, and make, maybe $1,000 a month, $100 a day. That's my goal, is $100 a day. But so that's why I day trade, and those are kind of the pros and cons. Oh, another con is the taxes. I haven't got taxed yet because I started trading in January with real money, but I heard the taxes are about 20%, 25%. So that's definitely a big downer. But at the end of the day, if you're making good money, you're saving money, it shouldn't be a big deal. But that's why you always got to save your money. If you want to be an investor, first you got to learn to save. But yeah, so pros and cons of day trading. I hope everybody enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think of this. Maybe I'll do a giveaway. Maybe if I get like 10 likes, I'll give somebody a book that I wrote. So that's going to be it. I hope everybody enjoyed this video. Please sure to hit the subscribe button. Let me know what you guys think. Peace out, MVP investors. Take care.